So inequalities in a triangle, there are some important properties of inequalities in a triangle. First important property is that the sum of the lengths of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the length of the third side. Now, here you have to take a scalene triangle to understand the property better. So this triangle is a scalene triangle having three different lengths, A, B and C. Now here, if you add any two sides, suppose if you add A and B, the sum of that will be greater than always the third side C. Same way, if you add A and C, their sum will be greater than always B. And B plus C will always be greater than A. So this is the first property of inequality. So this can be checked easily by drawing a scalene triangle having all three sides of different lengths, and then you can add and check. The sum of two sides will come and should come always greater than the third side. The second property is that in a triangle, the side that is opposite to the larger angle is the longer side. So now here, clearly the triangle ABC that I have taken, you can clearly make out which is the bigger angle and which is the smaller angle. So this angle A, by observation you can make out. If you draw any scalene triangle, you can measure the three angles with the protractor and you can measure the three sides and you can check for yourself this property also. That is, this angle A, you can see that it is the biggest angle. So the side that is opposite to this angle A, that is this side BC, this will be the longest side. And you can see clearly also in the figure that BC is the longest side actually, which is opposite to the biggest angle. Same way, this is the smallest angle, angle B, and opposite to that you have the side AC, and this will be the smallest side of the triangle. So in a given triangle, the side that is opposite to the biggest angle is the longest side, and the side that is opposite to the smallest angle is the smallest side. So this is the second property. Now using this property, one question we will be taking up from the exercise, that is, you have to show that in a right angled triangle, the hypotenuse is the longest side. So in a right angle triangle, I have taken here triangle ABC as a right angle triangle. Here angle A is 90 degree. So if I use the angle sum property in this triangle, I will get angle A plus angle B plus angle C is 180 degree. That is by angle sum property. Now here I can replace angle A with 90 because I know that it is a right angle triangle with A 90 degree. So I will get B plus C is equal to 180 minus 90, that is 90. So angle A is 90 and B plus C together should be forming 90 because it satisfies the angle sum property. If the sum of B plus C is 90, now there can be lot of possible combinations here. B can be 40, C can be 50, or both can be 45, 45, or 30, 60. So like that, many possible combinations of B and C can be there. But one thing I can say for sure is that angle B will be individually, if I take both the angles, angle B and angle C, both will be less than 90 degree. Because their sum is 90. So individually both have to be less than 90. So which means that angle A, it is the biggest angle. So if it is the biggest angle, then the side that is opposite to this angle must be the longest side by the inequality property. So therefore the side that is opposite to the right angle is nothing but the hypotenuse. So hypotenuse is the longest side in a right angled triangle.